Personally, I don't even need a man because drama is plenty. I make my own money, I pay my own bills, I pay for my friends. I don't need any man for anything.
So, wait, what are we now doing here? This fish tastes expensive, or is it just me? This is not the normal. This is not the normal fish show. My heart is already pounding. This fish tastes really expensive.
Your bill, sir.
Okay. Five, 5,700. Okay.
No, sir.
Five, 5.7 million naira.
Yes, sir. That's your bill.
Which kind of fish get 5.7 million? Can you imagine? Wait, oh, is it not that fish that Ola of Lagos is advertising?
Exactly.
Give
That's
it to
what
her
she
now.
ordered. Okay.
Alright.
Here you go. Excuse me, why are you giving it back? I thought you are the man here. Please take care of it.
You are the strong, independent woman. I thought you said you don't need them.
Please take care of it.
No, take it first.
Excuse me.
Wait.
Take it.
Wait. Hello? I'm coming.
Hey, come. You've not paid. You've not.